Mailbox Monday coming at you. Okay, so these are a few little things I got over the week. I didn't really get a whole lot. It hasn't been a real big week for me, but I have enough that I can make a little video after a couple little purchases today. So, we will get into it right now. First off, we'll go through some Amazon packages. I don't remember which one's which, so we'll go from there. I got 3 of the servo standoffs from China, just some Amazon cheap stuff. They are milled aluminum, but they're just black, just standard stuff. Not a big deal. Next! Alright, now we have the box. Oh, forgot about these. These are Testors enamel paint markers. I got the idea of using these from RC Everyday. I asked him what he used. He said he couldn't find them. So I got on Amazon and basically bought the ones that I could find. I think he said his were flat black, and these are gloss black. But hopefully I can throw like maybe some matte clear or something on it when I get done, and maybe it'll do it. I don't know. If not, they were like $7. Basically, this Mailbox Monday is going to be I've blown money on dumber things. So that is that box. Next! So I got there we go. Awesome possum. I got a Spectrum SR315. This is brand new out of a base camp, I believe is what he said. I needed this for the Recluse, so I put out a little feeler, and he hit me up and said, hey man, this was roughly half the price of new, shipped to my door. Couldn't say no. I really appreciate it. This is from a dude named Javier, who's semi-local. Next up, I have a SR515 that I got from a local guy, and I actually got this for free. He said, hey, this dude gave this to me. I don't believe he said he ever used it, but he was like, guy gave it to me, I'm going to give it to you, pass it on ahead. Super cool. This is a decently expensive. I think these are like $69 now. They've gone up, brand new. So that's a pretty good deal on a receiver, even if I would have paid half price, and he gave it to me for free. So I am pretty excited about that. Don't know what I'm going to do with this exactly yet. Probably something with a Phoenix transmission, because you know that's how many channels you would need, is 4 or 5. So that is super duper cool. That'll go in the electronics box right back here and wait for a project. So that's that. Next, and then the obvious. I did go to Hobby Lobby today and bought a few things. This is the stoplight red that I got today. About a month ago I went to Hobby Lobby and I grabbed the wrong red. I grabbed like red metallic or something, but this is actually stoplight red. I'm not 100% sure there's a real big difference. This one's a little darker, but I did get that. This is a Testors enamel, just regular like model car paint. And then also from RC Everyday, I've seen him do the color tint washes, or color wash tint is what these are called. I know he uses the French roast. I also got old bronze, which is kind of like a metallic-y bronze color. Maybe has a little metallic flake in it or something. I'm not 100% sure. And then I also got this, the French roast. I know I've seen him use. So hopefully I can start weathering a few things that I have. I don't really weather as crazy as he does, but it would be nice to give things a little bit of a wash. So I got that. Plus these are $3 for these little things. If you can find them at your local Hobby Lobby or any kind of hobby, maybe Michael's may have it, something along those lines. Any of those stores that do crafty stuff. So I got that. And next, alright, last but not least, I got this guy. This is a Christmas ornament. So originally these things were $89.99. but apparently Hobby Lobby is having a sale. What the hell? What did that happen? Anyway, Hobby Lobby is having a sale. This thing was like 35 bucks. I didn't think that was too bad. The wheelbase is a little short, and it's a little bit cartoony, but I'm thinking if these fenders feel like they're going to come right off, they're like spot welded or something, I almost want to take these and move them back to the edge of the bed, kind of like a bobbed bed to begin with. I'll definitely throw some distressing and some weathering on this cab, and then I think I can plop this thing right down on, I don't know, some sort of chassis. I might do like a front motor motor front transmission transfer case thing. I was actually looking for a project to put this in. I conveniently have a TF2 transmission and transfer case that this actually doesn't look that bad. I'll put the motor, do some stuff. I will cut it apart in a future video and we will figure it out. But it's tin. It's relatively thin. It's thick enough to kind of hold shape, but not so thick that it's going to be super rigid. So I was kind of excited about that, because then when I drag it across rocks and things like that, it should actually it'll scratch for one, and then maybe it'll throw some dents in it and stuff. And it'll look a little more realistic. The cab's a little tall and the scale is a little wonky and a little cartoony, but I think I can make it work. I'll push the front wheels out forward a little bit, and then push the rear wheels out to the back, and we will go from there and see what happens. If nothing else, once again, I've wasted $36 on dumber shit, so I don't really care. And I got a tree that I can use as a butt scrubber to kind of scrub your mom out with or something. And then I got packages. So now I have packages for, I don't know, I could probably use them for shock covers on my new Class 2 truck that I don't have. So anyway, we'll start. I'll get that later. Anywho, so that is my new project number, I don't know, 14, 17. I got a lot of stuff that I'm building. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like. Check out my Facebook group, my Facebook page, and I'm on Instagram. That is all. I will see you later. Bye!